Hello students, in unit number 5, today we will start the topic PERT part, that is project evaluation and review technique. Yesterday we have solved the numerical by the CPM technique, that is critical path method. The basic difference between CPM and PERT is, in critical path method time is deterministic, that is fixed, whereas in PERT method time is based on the probability. In this there are three type of times is given: most optimistic denoted by TO, most likely TM, and most pessimistic, that is TP. And on these three times given we have to find out the expected time, right? So let's start the question. A small project consisting of 8 activities has the following characteristics. There are total 8 activities, A to H. Preceding activity, the activity which is done immediately before the activity given, is known as preceding activities are given, and time estimates in weeks are given. Draw the PERT network for the project, right? So as the previous lecture discussion, we will draw the network same. In activity A and B, there are no preceding activity, so we will represent the activity through the arrow diagram, right? This is event 1, this is 2A activity, and next is the 3, this is B. Now A is the preceding activity of C, D and E. all 3. A से किस क्या है हमारी C, and B and C are the event simultaneously match at a point. This is known as the merge event. So we will merge the C to A, right? This is C, D and E. We will draw E. Next is E. This is and the D activity. This is number 4 and this is number 5. Now here this is complete. B and C, F is the preceding activity of B and C are the preceding activity of the activity F. B और C से क्या बनेगी F, but E, F, G are the 3 simultaneous activities and meet at a point E, F and the G. E, F and G. D से क्या है यहाँ पे हमारी D is the preceding activity of G. तो यहाँ पे मैच हो गई हमारी G. E, F is the B and C. This is the F, and E, F, G are the preceding activity of the event H. That is the next. This is R, H activity, and this is number 6. All right. Now we have to find out the expected time. As activities are given and time estimates are given, we will find out expected activity time by the formula TE is equal to TO plus 4TM plus TP divided by 6. How? TO is given 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 12 divided by 6, that is 2 plus 16 plus 12 upon 6. If you will sum 2 plus 16, 18 plus 12, 30. 30 upon 6 is equal to 5. Similarly, you will find out all the expected time. This will be 14, 9, 15, 8, 9, 4 and 5. Next, if we have to find out the standard deviation, then we will calculate it by the formula sigma is equal to TP minus TO upon 6. That is TP is given 12. Optimistic time is 2 divided by 6, that is 10 upon 6. If you divide, it will be 1.67. Similarly, you will follow all the activities standard deviation. It will be equal to 2.67, that is 0.33, 1.67, 0.67, 0, 0.67 and 0. Next is variance is equal to standard deviation का square, that is sigma square is equal to 1.67 का whole square, that is 2.79. 2.67 का whole square, that is 7.13. Similarly, you will square the all. It will be equal to 0.11, 2.79, 0.45, 0, 0.45 and 0. Thank you so much.